The 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, power sunroof, tow hitch, dual airbags, front air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, universal garage door opener. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.